been a while. I am aware. What is going on, guys? It is Matt here, and welcome to this sort of 5-part series I'm doing on how to make this bad boy. So this is the homecoming lenses from T-Jack. They are 100% beautiful. This series, I originally recorded it as just one video. However, that video ended up being about 30 minutes long, so I decided to split it up into separate videos. So the intro and outro of each and every video is going to be just, well, me, future Matt, explaining what previous Matt, past Matt, did in the video. So that's what's going on today. This part 1, is the initial sanding of the frames, and I also got the, it's a bit dusty, I also got this cool Avengers logo from him as well, which is, it is pretty cool. It's wrong, it doesn't have the extra leg, but I don't mind that because it's cool. This part 1 is the sanding of the frames, so, you know, enjoy.
So, when you've done all the sanding, wow, I went proper London then, and I'm not even from there. So your lenses should look a little something. I'm gonna do some focusing here. So they should look a little something like this. These obviously aren't painted, but they are very nice. Thank you so much, T-Jack. You're a legend. Sick. So, if you are on the younger side, I want you to go ahead and ask your parents or something to do this part. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a heat gun, or alternatively, if you don't have one of these, you can use a you can use your oven. Just make sure that you put your lenses on something, on like a tray or something, so that they don't like melt down, because what you're essentially doing is you're softening these so you can bend them around, whoa, that was loud, around the shape of your face shell. And because these are like super incredibly thin and amazing, you're gonna want to be very careful with them. Now, I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because these are very thin. So I've got this on a wooden board. By the way, I'm in my bedroom, which would make me a bedroom prop maker. Now, I'm not gonna mention any names, but this is still gonna turn out awesome. And there's nothing you can do about it. So, let's just give this a good old bash. Now really I should be wearing gloves to bend this with, however I'm just going to wince in pain. So we'll do one at a time. I'm going to do this one first. So in order to speed this process up, I am going to grab some pins. I don't know if you're going to be able to see what I'm doing here, but I'm gonna go. All I'm gonna do is place some pins down. These probably aren't the best pins to use, as they are plastic. I need to get some metal ones really. However, all these are gonna do is gonna keep it in place. So when you're trying to heat them up, you're not. I just put a pin down, and it's a clear one. I have no idea where it went. Well, oh, there it is. Okay, I found it. So what this is going to do is it's going to make sure it doesn't move as much as you just saw it do. And we'll just give it a go. Because these are quite thin, you obviously don't need to do that much. Then all you're going to do is you're going to press where you want it to curve. And I want mine to do pretty much that and be pretty darn good there. I don't know if you can see that in this camera, but I'm pretty confident. So now you can see, like, that didn't really take that long. And if you do have these lenses, I would highly suggest a heat gun rather than using your oven. Just because of, like, these are still slightly bendy, and that was real-time heat. I didn't use that much heat at all. It was on the hottest setting, on the the top one, if you've got the Black & Decker heat gun like I do. But yeah, like you can see that didn't take any heat at all. What he sends out with the lenses is this fog-free mesh. I'm gonna see if I can get real nice and focused for you. There you go. So he sends out this awesome fog-free mesh for you, which you would then put behind the lens, like so, and get that real nice homecoming look. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and that'll be this part done.
I would just like to point out that this is going to be the outro for all of the videos. So, yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you want to see part 2, then stick around. It'll be uploaded in the future. Or, you know, if it's already uploaded, go ahead and watch the next one. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something. I certainly did whilst making this. If you want to check out T-Jack's work, his link to his Instagram has always been in the description down below. And other videos related to this, like how to stick the 3D emblems on, and my amazing Spider-Man 2 fog-free lenses, are up in the YouTube card and down in the description below. So if you are wanting to see those, go ahead and check those out as well. But thank you very much for watching this series, guys. I'll see you in the next one.